Now this is what I was talking about, that here there are very old boats, like at least it looks quite old, probably 10, 20, 30 years old, and these are not bad. They are all good condition boats. Now this is how, I mean, what we're going to do is we're going to interview people over here, and I'm going to check and ask them what is it, what are the experiences that they've come across over the years, what has changed, and what are the boats that they prefer, what are the engines that they think are really good, and a bunch of all those stuff. Now, since you've seen destined2.com and you want to know more about it, so here I am nearby the riverside. As I was talking about, let's take a look. There's one more boat here. This is like a trip. It says Golden Salamander. Pretty decent. Very nice one. Very good boats. Let's take a look at the engines. What are the boat engines that they have so far? What I have seen from my experience is that now this one says